Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Hussain, and today's discussion is about reading comprehension. We had book in our hand since our childhood, when we even could understand the symbols and letters. But this is such a wonderful phenomena that we can enjoy from our childhood to our old age, when there is no other partner with us other than a book. Question is, what is reading? If I am reciting something, or if I am reciting some poem without understanding it, it is not reading. Reading is a brain phenomena. It involves brain. When you apply your brain to understand things, to understand what you read, we call it a cognitive process. What is cognitive process? Cognitivity is a step-by-step understanding of things. So we apply our brain, we see the written symbols. These could be written letters, numbers, and even symbols that we cannot understand now. But when we apply our brain, when we try to understand it, and we decode all these letters, numbers, symbols, and we reach the meanings of that letter, symbols and numbers, and finally we come to understand what is the text. Now we have got reading comprehension. So concludingly, reading comprehension is understanding, rather reading with understanding. Keep it easy. This is not somewhat difficult. Keep it easy, keep it simple. And next question is how to improve your reading comprehension skills. And if you come across some test, how to answer reading comprehension questions. The first thing, develop a passion for reading. That is the first thing. You can read novels, short stories, books, everything. Then you can go on website and you can find plenty of worksheets regarding reading comprehension. These are from grade 1 to higher level, and you can find everything for you and for every level. And even you can find free online reading passages with comprehensive questions. You can practice them. And even you find the previously given GRE paragraphs for reading comprehension. So you can go on websites and you can visit them and you can practice it. This is one of the paragraph, and for your practice now. And I'm giving you 30 seconds to read it and then to answer a simple question. So I'm giving you time for that. Okay, if you have read it, then it's fine, but if you haven't read it, go back and stop the video and read it. And now answer this simple question. What title can you give to this little paragraph? So this is your first practice of reading comprehension. So this is this much simple, and you can develop it step by step. And you can visit websites. There are plenty of websites that you can consult, and some other time I will share a few links with you. So develop a passion for learning, because if you have love for learning, you can develop yourself because it's a simple fact that the better readers make better learners. So it's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss the pre-reading strategies, and I hope that it will be enjoyable for you. Thank you very much for today. Have a cheap cup of tea and enjoy reading. Thank you.